Hello everyone, welcome back. So you may have seen the video where I made this bushcraft awl. Then you may have seen the video where I made this leather sheath to go with it. And what you didn't see was I made another one. I actually like this sheath much better than this sheath. I used a finer thread, more threads per inch, and I curved this end a little bit. I actually modified this one a little bit too, but this one came out really nice. I left it a little beefier than the other one. Then I decided I needed a smaller one because I'm putting together a little wax canvas bag with some stuff that I would consider like a repair kit for, like, let's say the last 100 and some odd years that like a trapper or a bushcrafter would have carried with them. So I got this little guy. Much finer for delicate work. So that puts me in a conundrum. Now I have 3 of them, and I kind of like even numbers. So this one's going into my repair kit. This one was the first one I ever made. Whoops, this one here. So I'm going to give away this one. I think this one came out the nicest of the large ones, and I saw a lot of comments, people saying that they were interested in making one and that it would be a very useful tool. So I'm just going to let somebody have it. And all you have to do is be one of my subscribers, click the like button, and leave me a comment that you want it. You don't have to do a VR, and you don't have to do a shout out, but if you want to do those things, that'd be great. I would appreciate it. And like always, everyone, I really appreciate all your views, and I appreciate your comments, and I hope that if you enter this contest, you win. So there you go. Bushcraft Awl. Thanks, everyone. We'll see you in the next one.